Everyone, welcome back to Fats Food and Barbecue. So today I'm going to do a video basically showing you what I'm working with here. So first we got our Napoleon grill here. As you can see, I'm missing one of the knobs because the inside broke, but I got this from Pinecraft Barbecue here in Sarasota, and Napoleon's got like a 30-year or lifetime warranty, so they're going to be getting me a new knob and new burner covers. So anyway, this is my grill. On this side, it's called a sizzle zone. But basically it'll get up to like 1,000 degrees and to put steaks on. So that's it. We'll move on to the next piece. Alright, next we got our homemade hibachi grill here. This is basically for homemade hibachi or whatever else I want to put in the fire. So that's this. I love this thing, it's great. It comes in handy. And we'll move on to the next piece. Alright, next we got our flat top here. As you can see, I toasted this table right here by putting something too hot on it. But it's a good flat top. I like it. Comes in handy. That's our flat top, and we'll move on. All right, next up here we got our pig, whole lamb rotisserie here, or whatever other kind of animal we can get on this thing, and it'll do about up to a 300-pound pig or so. So that's that, and we'll move on to the next piece. All right, next up is our vertical rotisserie I made from a beer keg. I'm going to get a light over here so you can see inside. Basically, you got the thing that spins. It has 2 Weber kettle baskets for charcoal. This thing was in the first video I ever posted. I use it for al pastor, whatever, and that's that. So we'll move on to the next. All right, next up we have a Traeger Ranger here. It's a pellet slash grill slash smoker. The pellets in here. It comes with a flat top and your grill part. This is given to me by a good friend of mine. Thanks, Bill. Love this thing. And that's it for this one. And we'll move on to the next. And of course I got my cooking table here. But they got a side burner on it. And this big monster 12-quart cast iron cauldron, which I used once already. I'm going to be using this thing a lot. I love it. So that's that. And then we'll move on to the next. Next we have a master-built electric smoker. As you can tell, this thing's seen better days. I've worked this thing to death, and the burner, the elements starting to go, slowed it down, so took care of that problem. But that's that one, and we'll go to the next. And last but not least, we got an East Oak electric smoker that's pretty much brand new. I just seasoned it last night. I'm loving this thing so far. It's got a built-in probe here. See that? And yeah, so we're going to give this thing a try in a few days. And that's pretty much it for now. I have another beer keg. I'm going to be working on a kind of like a wok, kind of wood burning wok of stove deal. So if you know any Chinese places looking to donate a monster wok, let me know. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you soon. I know this has nothing to do with the cooking, but I planted this pineapple about a year ago, and I'm very proud of it, so I wanted to show that also. Pretty neat, huh? We got a couple more planted, 2 more, we'll see how they do. Alright, we'll see you soon.